Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be talking about these little wooden stocks that I created on the WeCreat machine here. So obviously on the Glowforge, I did create a few of these before, but on the WeCreat, I can actually turn it this way and engrave on the actual top here. So I got just a couple acorns there, and then I've got a 3D squirrel here, and then an engraving of a squirrel here in filigrees. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the actual engraving process of this. And then I'm going to show you some still images of it that capture a little bit better in the light here. But yeah, other than that, basically what I did is I did a regular engraving, and then I ghosted it with a secondary lighter engraving, shifted slightly forward for this engraving here to get this look. And then I did a regular engraving on this one and then went right on top of it to give this look here. And then I just did a light speed, or a real fast speed but light power on here to get this look as well. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and show you guys a fast forward of the engraving of this, and then I'll show you some still images at the end.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.